Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting and verifying both controllers. Make sure they're fully charged and paired to the Xbox. Once done, sign into 2 different Xbox profiles or create a guest for the second player so both inputs register. Then, launch Fall Guys from the primary account and remain on the main menu. This ensures the game detects the second controller when you add the player. Doing these first steps prevents confusion later. You press A or the menu button on the second controller to prompt the Join dialog. This tells the game to add that controller to your session. Then, select the second profile or guest and confirm the character slot appears next to yours in the lobby. If Fall Guys shows split screen or screen share options, adjust them now to set camera spacing and HUD visibility. This helps prevent overlap and keeps visibility clear for both players. You start the match once both players are marked ready in the lobby, and the game will automatically use split screen during rounds. If the second controller doesn't respond, resync it by holding the controller bind button and the console connect button. Alternatively, switch USB ports or try a different controller to isolate the issue. If problems persist, close Fall Guys and power cycle the Xbox. Then repeat the join steps. This usually clears input or profile detection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.